Thanks for checking in as we take a look at your extreme weather outlook. I'm meteorologist Todd Nelson, and we're watching the Eastern Pacific. A storm may be developing within the next few days. We'll talk about that. We'll talk about the southern severe weather threats coming up over the next few days. And the southeast, unfortunately, dealing with more fire weather concerns and also some potential record warmth on Wednesday. All right, so this cluster of thunderstorms is what the National Hurricane Center has a 90% chance of tropical formation within the next 5 days. If this develops before May 12th, this will be the earliest such tropical system in recorded history back in the mid-60s there in the Eastern Pacific. So that'll be interesting. Meanwhile, the Northeast still dealing with some cold conditions, maybe even cold enough for a little bit of a rain snow mix in some spots, mainly in the high elevations, also across the northern New England states, but definitely chilly as temperatures today run a good 5 to almost 20 degrees below average. It will be chilly tonight, some spots dipping down into that frosty mark into the lower 30s. We do have more frost advisories in place over western New York. It does include Buffalo, New York. Now, severe weather concerns today showing up as a slight risk along the Front Range and also into the Oklahoma and Texas Panhandle. Looks like large hail is kind of our primary concern today within those areas. We do have some damaging wind concerns and also the threat for some isolated tornadoes. And then as we watch this system churn eastward, again, that shower and thunderstorm activity will be developing along the eastern flank of that. But looks like Wednesday and Thursday we'll see that threat shift a little bit farther east. We're talking Wednesday a slight risk into Kansas, Oklahoma, and Texas. And then on Thursday that threat shifting a little bit farther east to include more of the lower Mississippi Valley here, the Arklatex region. Total rainfall tallies within that area 1 to 2 inches, especially from Kansas City to Indianapolis, even St. Louis getting in on that. Little Rock, though, some decent tallies. Meanwhile, red flag warnings continue in Florida with temperatures here today and tomorrow nearing record tallies.